Alpha Engineering has made faithful efforts to develop a precision measuring industry in the many industry fields, including Korean petrochemical resin, rubber, and plastic extrude materials by sticking to the measuring field since it was established. This company is contributing to the factory automation industry, including relevant equipment, focusing on transfer measuring device, blending measuring device, and packing measuring device, which are indispensable in industrial measuring automation systems. We will start cutting-edge measurement through research development by measuring automation that reflects the present age. Alpha Engineering. Alpha Engineering has established itself as a representative company which specializes in design, manufacture, installation of measuring automation equipment, and has provided customized consulting for customers since it was founded in August 1989. Alpha Engineering is satisfying customers' requirements by presenting the best products that customers want by optimal conditions based on its own technology of measuring automation, focusing on it endlessly. Therefore, it has been loved by customers due to practicing close follow-up management personally, as well as manufacturing efficient and effective equipment. All the executives and staff members who learn their know-how based on long-term experiences are building the management system, which is with you as they consist of the best technicians in the relevant fields, ranging from research development to production, QC, and the sales field. Alpha Engineering directly designs and manufactures equipment to provide the best products for customers and is delivering and installing only the highest quality through thorough inspection and repetitive tests. All the processes of equipment consist of the control system whose maintenance is easy and which minimizes user inconvenience. The production process of compound production equipment consists of 4 stages as follows. In Stage 1, the silo part to store and supply different raw materials supplies several raw materials which are already stored to meet physical properties of plastic extrude raw materials. Discharge of raw materials is determined by gate valves or rotary valves according to physical properties. The size of silo is determined by frequency of use according to physical properties. It is installed above ground or underground according to the environment of factories. However, the underground type is efficient for user. In Stage 2, core equipment for measuring automation mixes raw materials with subsidiary materials by transferring them and measuring the fixed quantity. It consists of transfer equipment, a measuring hopper, a ribbon mixer, a cushion hopper, and a device. It makes the first fixed quantity by transferring and measuring according to fixed quantity in the silo through the measuring automation control system. The process of discharging the fixed quantity of the raw materials and subsidiary materials, which are made by mixing them in the ribbon mixer, continues to be done to supply the fixed quantity to meet outputs of the extruder. As the process by equipment is monitored and input of the raw and subsidiary materials are automatically supplied by the fixed quantity, production is very effective. In Stage 3, extrusion is done and raw materials of pellets are made. The raw materials are produced in the extruder as the device to supply the fixed quantity. Also, the raw materials of pellets are produced by cutting them by first cooling high temperatures in the water, then removing the water. Because removal of water from the raw materials is essential but not easy, several methods are used. The second and third removal of water is done by the various methods, including use of sorters using fan blowers according to the characteristics of raw materials. In Stage 4, the selected raw materials are packed in 25 kilogram sacks and bulk bags by the fixed quantity to be easily delivered to users. There is transfer of the pressuring type, which uses blowers and ejectors, and that of suction type, which uses nozzles for inhalation, and blowers in the process of selected raw materials being transferred to a storage tank. Therefore, in this stage, the transfer method is determined by physical properties of raw materials. For packing by the fixed quantity, packing of 25 kilograms by measuring the fixed quantity can be increased according to outputs by semi-automatic and fully automatic equipment. If the pallet loading system, which uses robots, is additionally introduced, the investment costs will increase, but manpower shortages of high wages can be solved. The facilities, which were manufactured after consulting Alpha Engineering, are gaining much recognition from the big companies as well as small and medium-sized businesses which are now producing compounds. We will be a global company by technical innovation, which is responsible for solutions in the measuring automation field by continuing to research and develop various smart and hybrid facilities and strive to always be with you. Thank you. Alpha Engineering.